Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm finally back this festive season. I'm so excited because first reason was my skin. My skin is breaking out so badly. It's going through some rough time. I don't know what it is, but it's the weather change or whatever. I'm just taking care of it nicely now, so I had to take a break from makeup. But today I'm so excited. I'm like guilt-free makeup I have. It's all from Kiro Beauty and I'm excited to do this one brand tutorial for you guys. You guys anyways love one brand tutorials, and this is an Indian brand with such good packaging, such good quality products. Just look at this packaging. Isn't this so pretty? Like the orange, the blue, and the inner packaging is even prettier. It's cruelty free, vegan, and specifically made for the Indian skin, and I think the products are so like just calling my name, and I really am excited to try these products and create a Navratri, or you can call it a festive makeup look. I want this to be very beginner friendly, so it will be easy for you to recreate. So if you do recreate this look, then tag me so that I can see your recreations. And now without wasting any time, I have already prepped my skin, so I'm just gonna start with the makeup. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do my base off camera. So I'll just do my base off camera and I'll be right back. Done. Now I'm really excited to dig into the products. I think I should complete my base first because they have some blush duos and some highlighters. The first thing that I have right here is Glow On Blush Duo, and wow, the packaging is so gorgeous. This one has natural glow, easy to blend, silky smooth finish. It's lightweight and long wear. This one is in the shade Cool Cinnamon plus Fresh Grapefruit. One is more on the bronzier side and one is more on the pinkish side. So just mix it up and apply it as a blush. So the next one is Glow On Blush Duo, and this is again a blush duo, so we have two of them. This one is in the shade 04 Classic Coral and Cool Cinnamon. By the way, I'll link all the products in the description. So this is how the Cool Cinnamon, this is more on the corally side as the name suggests. Both will suit my skin tone, but I prefer pink blushers. I'm gonna take the blush like this. I just love it when products have a mirror. It just makes it so convenient for the user. Like you don't have to look for another mirror and hold another product and then another product. It's like a hassle. So like I really appreciate the mirror, and this is not like a cheap mirror or something. It's a really good mirror. So now let's just see how the product works. I'm really excited. Okay, I'm just gonna use some circular motions to apply the blush. It blends out so easily and I think I love the color. So you can see the difference, and I'm just gonna do the same on this side. Now this was the application, and now I'm gonna take a clean brush again and just blend everything out. Can you guys see now? The blush is so pretty. It is not enhancing my texture. If you are more into corally kind of shades, you can use this. So you can choose between the two. I think I'm always gonna go towards this, but this is a corally beautiful shade. This will also look very pretty. Let's just go ahead and use some highlighter. The blush is semi-matte. It's not matte and it's not glowy or dewy. It's semi-matte. It has that shine to it, but it's not matte. For the highlighter, I have this Prism Perfect highlighter. This is how it looks like. This one is in the shade Sandy Rose plus Pearly Bronze. Wow. Okay, so these are also two shades. If you look closely, there's this line in between, and these are also two shades, but what? It is beautiful. And it again has a mirror. All the products have a mirror. Let's just swatch both of them, like swirling both. What did I just see? Oh, look at that. I'm just gonna swatch the highlighter for you guys. What? I'm just going to take the highlighter. This is so pretty. Oh my god. I'm also taking the highlighter right here. And the best part is, it's like not shiny. It's dewy and it does not have those glitter particles. It just makes you glow, It will not enhance your texture or anything. And it also has rosehip oil and calendula oil, which is the common ingredients in the base products, and they are amazing. I'm gonna take it on my nose. For the shadow, I'm actually going to use this one, which is Classic Coral, which we did not use in the video. So I'm just going to use these two shades. I'm actually going to use this shade in my transition, which can be a really good transition shade for the eyes. So this is the transition shade laid down. I'm actually going to use one of their eyeliners for the outer edge right there. So I have two colors right now. So this one is in the shade Smoked Violet, and I think I'm going to use this today. The other shade I have is Sapphire Blue. So I'm not going to use a blue shade today because I don't think it's going with my outfit, but this is how it looks like it's really good. So beginner friendly, as well as if you love doing makeup, I think you can experiment a lot with these pencils. So this one is in the shade Smoked Violet, the one that I'm going to use right now. I'm just going to apply this on the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm going to use eyeshadow stick for the inner corners. You will see how easily it just glides onto your eyes. And now to blend that out, I'm going to use a very dense brush like so. It's so easy to blend also. I'm just going to blend it out in a winged shape like that. See, this was so easy, and I would say like there are no rules in makeup. You can literally use an eyeshadow as a blush or a highlighter, and an eyeliner as an eyeshadow, which I just did right now. And now that I have that darker, deeper outer corner, I can play with the inner corners of my eyes and make it look a little bit more festive. I have their eyeshadow sticks. I have two of them right now. I actually have three of them. These are the three eyeshadow sticks that I have. First one is called Fiery Bronze. Next one is called Peachy Gold. Last one is Sandy Copper. I have tried this one, which is in the shade Fiery Bronze, and I absolutely love the pigmentation. It again glides so smoothly onto the eyes, and it just is so convenient. Like if you're in a hurry and you have to go out somewhere, I actually used this stick in my 5-minute makeup challenge, and it was so easy. Like I just smeared it around on my eyes and I just was good to go. I'm just gonna take this shade 02 Sandy Copper and apply it right in the center of my eyelids because I don't want too much going on there. So I'm just going to apply it. You'll just see how pigmented it is. I'm also gonna do the same on this side. You can see this is the brown that we used. Trust me, if you're a beginner, you just have to get this eyeshadow stick and you're good to go. I'm gonna use this shade right here, which is called Peachy Gold. I am really excited. You can see this is like a rose gold shade. I'm gonna apply it in the inner part of the eyes. This can be such a beautiful inner corner highlighter. So pretty, just appropriate for the festive season. Like the best part I love about eyeshadow sticks is that you don't have to worry about the fallout or doing your base pehle before your eyes. Alright, so now I'm gonna line my eyes. I'm gonna use this Kiro eyeliner. This is called Waterproof Soft Matte Eyeliner Pen. The tip is so sharp. I am so excited. I want a bold wing eyeliner today. Let's see how it goes. That is so black. Oh my god, that was so easy, and I absolutely love the wing that I've created here. I just hope कि same चीज़ यहाँ पे भी हो जाए. Eyeliner made it so much more easier for me to create this beautiful wings. Quickly going to use the same transition shade that I used on the upper lash line. I absolutely loved this shade Peachy Gold. I'm gonna use this in my waterline as well. It just gives that dew. So that is the eye makeup all complete. I'm just gonna apply some mascara and lashes and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back with a lot of things. I have applied some mascara, some lashes. I also tied my hair because it was oily, for the earrings and this bindi. This just ties the whole look together. I just need to finish it off with some lipstick. I still cannot decide which one should I go for. I think I'm gonna show you both, like dono mein kaisa lagta hai. If it's like a day function, you can go for nude, and if it's a night function or night event or something like that, we can go with red. So I'm first gonna apply the nude shade. So this is in the shade Peachy Nude. The wand in this lipstick is very convenient to apply, and the formula is, they killed it with the formula, and there's a nude for every skin tone. So I'm just gonna apply this one right here, which is in the shade Peachy Nude. The fragrance is so sweet. I just want to eat it up. It's gonna dry matte. You should definitely try this liquid lipstick at least once in your life, because I think it's like so comparable to the high-end lipsticks that I've tried. I think even better, because it has this vitamin E and apricot oil in it, which will not enhance, it just does not enhance the lines that you have, the cracks that you have on your lips. It will just make it look like plum. How the makeup looks with a red lip, and let me know in the comments which one would you prefer. Would you guys like to wear a nude lip or a red? I think if you want to make this look in like a daytime look, you can actually skip the lashes and add the nude shade, and if you want to make it nighttime, you can do this. Like, you can add lashes, which will make it more dramatic, and you can also add a red lip, because if you have the confidence, you can literally take the dramatic eyes, dramatic lips anywhere. So yes, that was it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'll link all the products that I've used in the description, so that you can check it out and grab your hands on them. I think due to this festive season, there must be a discount. You should check it out. And yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next one.